Yes, now question paper of MySQL. The average function in MySQL is an example of options are given: math, text, date function, aggregate function. So we already know that aggregate functions, this will be 4 aggregate functions. Yes, now aggregate function means 5 aggregate function is there in our syllabus: max, min, avg, count, sum. So these are your aggregate functions. Now mathematical functions, numeric functions, single row functions are different. Text functions are for the string, date functions are for dates. Next, the dash command can be used to make changes in the row of table in SQL. Now changes in the row, from this line only it is clear that values when we are changing, rows we are changing, we use update command. So update command is here. If it is MCQ, you will select the update command, and if it is write one word answer or short answer question, then if computer is checking, you will write either update in capital or you can write in small also. Both will be checked as correct. Next, the SQL command that will display the current date and time. Select now. Now will display the current date and time. Both it will show. Date will only show the date, time will only show the time, but now will show both the current date and time. The mid function in MySQL is an example of, already you have done substring, mid and substr. All three are doing the same task and it is a string function or text function. So here, since the options are given, we will select text function. Next, the dash function is used in SQL to find one string into another. If you want to find the position of one string into another, here you can write the position also. Find the position of one string into another. So it is in string. We know the in string function returns the position of the second string into the second string in the first string. Next, mid and substring function in SQL serves the same purpose. Yes, mid, substr, and one is substring, full spelling. All three are same thing. Write the output for the following SQL command. Now when you are rounding it, if it is plus, then right hand side the digits are left. If it is minus, then left hand side. -1 means you will make it 0 and it should be 2. So here the answer given is wrong. It should be 2. You can check it. This question you can check it, because round will check the digit, and if it is 5 to 9, then it will increase by 1. So we are checking it. I haven't opened it, MySQL. Yes, here I can copy paste it or select round in bracket. You have to write in bracket, you have to write 15 point something, comma -1. So -1 means right hand side, left hand side one digit will be rounded off. So here 1 0 will come, and since it is 5, so it should give 20. So here you can see the output is 20. Now next is write a SQL query to display date after 10 days of current date on your system. So current date is current date function we will use, and plus 10 means it will show 10 days after that. So select current date, this is the function for current date, plus 10 semicolon. Write the output for the following SQL commands. Select substring this -5 3. -5 we haven't done. Let me check it. -5, 3. Substring A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So this one I will check it. Select substring A, B, C, D, E, F -5, comma, suppose 3, semicolon. Yes, -5 means -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So it is a reverse string. So the answer will be here BCD. So here the answer was wrong. So here -5, 3 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer should be CDE. So here the answer should be CDE. Understood? Next, which keyword is used to arrange the result of order by clause in descending order? DESC. So DESC is not given in the option. So here the spelling is wrong. I will correct it. DESC. Next, the clause that is used to arrange the result of SQL command into groups. Group by is used to arrange into group. Next, find the output of SQL command. Select concat informatics. Now here we normally concat is used to join the two string without any space. So here no space will be given between informatics and practices. So it will be one word because no space is given here. So the first output without space, this is, I assume, without space, this is. So A is the correct answer. Next, write the output of the following SQL command. Select round. Now 1 means right hand side 1 digit you have to keep and you will see the next digit. If the next digit is 0 to 4, it will remain as it is. If it is 5 to 9, then +1. So here 19.9, since the next digit is 5 to 9, so here +1 you have to do. So C option is the correct. The now function in MySQL is an example of date. So date functions already you know. Now, cur, date, then date, time, all these are your date functions. The dash command can be used to make changes in the structure of a table in SQL. So whenever we are changing the structure, we are using alter command to change the structure of the table. Next, write the SQL command that will display the time and date at which the command got executed. So normally you will see that at the end it is showing the timings it is showing. So if you want to see that, you can use sysdate, that is the system date, and it is updated. Normally the battery is there, it is updated, so it will show the current date and time at which the command got executed. So select sysdate, you can write here. Next, write the output of the following SQL command. Select this one. So after this is same thing, after decimal 1 digit you have to keep and the next digit is 5 to 9, so +1, so 15.9. Next, Manish wants to select all the records from the table named students where the value of the column first name ends with an A. Which of the following SQL command will do this? So like we will use ends with A means %A we will write, and all the records will select star from table name is students where first name like %A. So ends with A it is given, but answer they have given containing A. This should be C. This answer should be C because it is only ending with A, not containing A. So it should be C. If in the question it is given that the first name contains A anywhere in the name, it can be the first, it can be the last, it can be in between, then the containing A will be %A%. So here the C option is correct. The dash command can be used to add a new column to the table, alter table, table name, add is used to, so here alter command is used to add, modify and drop a new column in a table. So alter is the correct answer. Which SQL command is used to describe the structure of the table? DESC or the describe keyword. Complete describe keyword also you can use it. Next. Foreign key in a table is used to enforce. Foreign key is used to join the two tables. So referential integrity, that is its reference in the second table. So referential integrity will be the answer. Next. A table student contains 5 rows and 4 columns initially. 2 more rows are added and 1 more column is added. What will be the degree and cardinality of the table student after adding these rows and columns? So 5 plus 2 cardinality will be 7 and 4 plus 1 degree will be 5. So 7 and 5, that is what it is what will be the degree and cardinality? First you have to write the degree and then you have to write the cardinality. First I told the answer was wrong. So first degree is 5 and cardinality is the total number of rows, that will be 5 plus 2, 7. So this is correct. Insert into student value, this is a type of which command? DML command. So 3 DDL commands you know, create, alter, drop. DML commands 4 we know, that is insert, update, delete and select. TCL commands are transaction control language, are commit, rollback, save point. DCL grant, revoke. Now in Cbse book they have given one DQL also, data query language, in which select they have given. What will be the output of select mid this 3, from 3 to 9 characters, and from 3 you have to start. So PYH. So from H it will start and 9 characters, 1, 2, 3, 4 including space, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So from till G it will print. So here HTON prog till G, third one is the correct option. Clear? Write the output of the following SQL statements. Select truncate this and truncate this. Now truncate, what happens? Truncate will remove. So here -1 will be 10, then 0 will be 15 and 1 will be 15.7. So 10, 15 and 15.7, that is C option is the correct answer. Next, the count in MySQL is an example of aggregate function. So this aggregate function will be there in your question paper. Dash, which of the following sub-languages of SQL is used to query information from the database and to insert tuples? DML is used. Into delete tuples from and modify tuples in the database. So already we know if it is table structure, add a new column, remove a new column or modify the column data type and size, DDL is used, or drop a column, drop a table, drop a database, DDL is used. Now if it is to display some records or insert values or to query information or to delete or to modify, then DML is used. Clear? Next, whenever related to tuples, DML commands you have to write. Related to rows or attributes, DDL you will write. The dash clause of select query allows us to select only those rows in the result that satisfy the specified condition. Now where is used to give the condition? So whenever related to condition, it will be asked without grouping, that is on the table on all rows, then you have to write where. And if it is written that condition on a group of records, group of students, group of tuples, that there you will write having. Next, write the output of the following SQL command. Substring computer from third character, total 4 characters. So from third character, total 4 characters you have to write. So it will be MPUT. Next, the now function in MySQL is an example of date function. The dash command is used to make the changes in a command in a table permanent. Now commit and rollback, we already know that commit is used to make all the changes permanent, and rollback is used to undo or discard all the changes or transactions. So here the commit command, commit you have to write. Give SQL command that will display the current month from the date and time. So if you want to extract month we will use, and we will write the dates in parameter. If you want to extract date, then we will write day, and if you want to extract year, you have to write here year, and the date will be given in this parenthesis. Which of the following keywords will you use in the following query to display all the records of students whose names start with S? S%. So here like you have to use. This you already know, wherever this wildcards are used, two wildcards you have studied, % for any number of character and underscore for single character. So there we use like clause along with these wildcards. Which of the following is an aggregate function? So you have learned 5 aggregate function: max, min, count, avg and sum. So here sum is given, sum is aggregate function. Write the output of the following SQL command from left 5 characters. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Jammu. So answer will be B, Jammu. What will be the output of the following code? Mod 14, 3. So 3 4 the 12, mod means the remainder. So 3 4 the 12, remainder is 2. So answer will be 2. What will be the result of the following query based on the table given here? Select count salary from instructor. So we will count salary with values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 values are there. Normally count column name will not count the null values. So here the answer will be 5. Write the command to delete all the data of the table activity, retaining only structure. So only structure is left with, and command to delete all the data of the table activity. So delete from activity you can use, or truncate table activity you can use. Two commands are there. Truncate is a DL command in which all the records are deleted, but the structure is remaining. So here in this question you can write two answer. The best one is delete from activity, all records, because where I haven't used, so all records will be deleted. One more they have given, that is truncate table. It is a DDL command. So truncate table activity. Write the output for the following SQL command. Select round of this. -1 means the previous one will be 0, and since it is 5 to 9, that's why this will be +1. So the answer will be 20. This is the repeated question. Next, write SQL query to display date after 20 days of the current date. This will be after 20 days of the current date. This also we have done. Write the output -5, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So C, D, E. Correct. Which keyword is used to arrange the result of order by in descending DESC? So I think these all are repeated now. So all the questions are repeated here. Update 50 is not repeated. So let us see this question. Write the output of the following SQL command. When no second argument is given, then by default it is 0. 0 means if it is round, you will check after decimal. If it is 5 to 9, then +1 you have to do. So the answer will be 50. Clear? So this also we have done. Select count star from employee. The above query will not consider the following. Count star, it will take the null value, that is the null records. It will not take, but in a column if any null value is given, then it will take. Because here star we have given, star means for tuple, for records. So if in salary null value is there, then it will take the null value also. This question is little bit confusing. It will not take means here instead of star they should have given some column name. Column name will not take the null values. Other it will count. With value, all the other values it will count. Which of the following is or not correct aggregate function? Aggregate function is max, min, sum, count, avg. So here total is not aggregate function. So total you will select. I think now it is clear to you how to do it. So these are all the questions pattern, some of the questions which we have discussed today. In SQL, null value means none, means nothing is there, neither zero. Zero is a value. In computer, zero is a value. You can do the numerical operators you can use with zero. But null means void, means no value. So zero is not equal to null value. This you should remember. Next, 3, 3 the 9, 10, 11, 2 remainder is here. Max is aggregate function. Output of this -1. Now in this question, -1 means only 1 0 will be there. So the answer should be B, that is 310. So this answer is wrong. If it is -2, then it is 300. So you can do one thing. Here I am writing -2. So -2 means 300 is the correct answer. Next, trim will remove all the space. So here from L trim will remove all the left space. So this space will be removed. Next, power of this to the, now this is typical. These questions we will not ask in this exam. Having is clause is used with group by. Aggregate functions we are using with this. So with having you can use the aggregate functions like count, star, those, but this is also not asked. Write the output of the following. In string will return the position of the second string in the first string. So you count bar means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer will be 5. Alter is a DDL command. Next, the order by is used to arrange data. Like is for pattern matching. So this will be your very short answer. Now short answer questions, all the differences between two. So all these are your short answer questions. Now next, in this, suppose a table is given in which the functions are to be written, then you will write here from table name. Like I have already shown you this table. Like these type of questions when it is given, there you will write suppose maximum of S code. So here you will write select max S code from table name semicolon. But when the data are directly given without any table name, there from is not used. So there only select, then with the function the all the arguments are written. Now one dual is also there. From dual, it is a memory location where the calculations are done. So here you can see, like suppose I am giving here select 2 star 3, 2 star 3. So this is also correct, as well as I can write here from dual. So from dual, it is a memory location where bench where it is done. So it is same, both are same thing. So the functions you can write here directly without using from, like here without using from they have given. Now the theory one we will do it afterwards. All the 4 difference, 5 differences, all those things we will write it and we will do it afterwards. Rest I think it is easy now, because substring, substring what it does, it gives you the start value, and if no end value is given then it will move till the end. So -3 means 1, 2, 3, from I it will start and till the end. So here ILA. So it is not compulsory that in substring you have to give the number of string. If you don't give it, then till the last it will take. And this, if it is 3, then You will start from beginning, that is 1, 2, 3, then kila will be your answer if it is plus 3. And if it is minus 3, then from last I am starting 1, 2, 3, and the answer will be ila. Select left, from left 4 characters, so this all you know. Okay, now case studies are given. These are theory questions. This also you can go through it. All these are your theory questions. Let us solve some of the questions. Okay. Raghav writes the following commands with respect to a table flight having these. Command 1, select star, count star from flight. Command 2, select count destination from flight. He gets the output as 5 for the first command but gets an output of 3 for the second command. Explain the output with justification. Anyone who can tell this? What is the difference between count star and count column name? Count star will count the tuples even if the column contains null value. So all the tuples records, like 5 record was there. So it is counting all 5. But count destination will not count if null value is present in that column. So if in destination, like here destination, you can see 2 null values are there. That's why the output is 3. So it will not count those null values. Next, write the output for following queries. Mod 4, 3, 4 to the 8, 9, 10, 4 to the 8, 9, 10, 11, 3. So here the output will be 3. Now they have given here a heading. So under modulus 3 will be there. Same way power 3 comma 2. So 3, 3 the 9 with a new heading raised. So under raised 9 under modulus 3. So like this you have to write the output. Under modulus 3 and under raised 9. Now current date, so on which date you are giving the exam, that date plus 1 you have to write, plus 10 you have to write. Length of this minus 19, so you will, length of, this is the complete string. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, space also I am counting, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the answer will be 15. Clear? Now L case will convert into small letters, so answer will be computer science in small letter. So these are your questions. Normally these questions are asked in the previous year board, from board question paper, these are being copied. So now from self-motivation, if you want to display motivation, what will be your query? Anyone? Just now you have done how you can return motivation only. Anybody? Using mid, substring, here or substr. So how you will display only motivation? You will write this string, comma, the start value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this string, comma, 5. And in front you can write either mid or substring. So here you can see substring, self motivation, comma, 5. It will give you motivation. And from M to only 3 characters if you want to display MOT, then after 5 comma 3, so it will display only 3 characters. Next, the position of the substring motive in the string this. For position we use in string in bracket the first string and comma the second string whose position you have to search. So here it will be in string. The last 6 letters of the string means from last, that is right, you will use. From first 6 letters left you will use, and from right, that is last 6 letters, so the string comma 6. So these functions are asked. Now anybody who can tell the difference between update and alter, already we have done in the difference one. when we have done the difference. Update and alter. Past. Alter is a DDL command, update is a DML command. Alter will add columns, modify columns or drop column. Update can modify the datas or the tuples or the records. That is, it can update, it can increase, it can decrease, it can modify. So alter is related to columns, update is related to rows. Then you can write the syntax, that is alter table, table name, add new column name, data type size, semicolon, and update table name, set column name equals to new value, whichever value you want to give, where the condition. So where is used with update, where cannot be used with alter. As we all know, where can be used only with the DML command, that is update, delete and select. So where can be used with update but cannot be used with alter. So I will share with you, you just make the notes of this, and time is over, today's time is over. Okay, I'm sharing with you this complete one. You just go through. If you have any doubt, already we have done all the topics. So if you have any doubt in any question, you just tell me. I will explain that topic in the next class. Group by having also you do it. Okay.